Welcome back to another progressive income video. Hope you guys have all been well. So for today, we're going to be going over some student discounts you can get in New Zealand. And I've got a little bit of a bonus tip for those students studying here.
Nice.
Now this could be for tertiary or university students or even high school students. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first one I'm going to be mentioning is UniDays. So UniDays is a website and an app that you can download. And basically it's very, very simple. You can just sign up and get tons of discounts on local stores. So if we just take a look down here, you can see stores for Apple even. You've got Cotton On, 15% off Glassons, and it goes on, and there's a lot of different categories.
Here comes the money!
A lot of you may have been using Niche in the past. Niche was a student discount app that was used quite frequently, but then it shut down. UniDays came in after that. It's basically the same thing, and in fact, UniDays has a couple more discount places.
Tell them to bring me my money.
So that's the first one, very simple. Now the second one, a lot of you have probably heard of this. It's Student Card. So a student card is you basically register and you can get a card. The only downside of this is you do have to pay $20, but if you're just starting out high school or even university, you're going to be saving a lot more than $20 if you use this often.
It's facts! It's facts!
So similarly, if we look at some examples, you can see some really major brands here. So we've got Coffee Club, Jets Fitness, New Balance, and you can get all these discounts. So if we move over here, we can basically see some of the places they accept it. And surprisingly, it's a lot more places than you think.
Okay.
So for example, the food section, we have Domino's, Sombrero, 20% discount. You've got Coffee Club, 20% online discount, and so forth. So not just food and drink, there's also other places. So for example, gym, I just quickly search gym here and save $30 on memberships, 25% off monthly membership. You know, it's huge. So the thing with a student card and with UniDays, obviously you do have to be a student in order to register, but that's basically all it is. The next one is Student Beans. So Student Beans is quite similar to UniDays, but in my opinion, it's more designated to online shopping. So if you take a look, you can see some online stores. So these are more, I feel like, outside of New Zealand that you can use, but you can still get discounts as a student living in New Zealand. So another great website for online shopping. Next up, we have Spotify. So a lot of you may have known this already, but if you do not, Spotify has a student discount you can basically get where you only pay $7.50 per month compared to $15 a month, which is the regular rate.
Say what?
So if you are paying for the regular rate of $15 a month and you are a student using Spotify, I highly recommend you jumping on the student plan. And it's very simple to get started. You just have to submit your university or high school, and that's all it is. Nice and simple. Now for the bonus tip. So this isn't really a discount website or app. However, it's a website where you can find jobs specific to students, and I'll tell you why this is so good. So first of all, you can basically search what job you're looking for. So you first search your location. So I'm using Auckland in New Zealand as an example, and you can see all these different ones come up. And if you're looking for something, you can see start dates. So if you have to do just during the summertime or if you have uni on certain days. Secondly, this is my most favorite thing about student job search. If you come down here to job type, as you can see on the left hand side here, you can select one-off jobs. So that way you don't have to commit to a job. You don't have to be in a contract. I understand that a lot of students don't have the time for this, especially when it comes towards exam times. But if you look at these one-off jobs, you can see for 6 hours of work, $24 per hour, and that's it. No commitment for long time. And I think this is perfect for students if you need a bit of money on the side or even if you have some free time. So there's a lot of variety and there's definitely going to be something suited to you. Just keep an eye out and just look through all these job listings. And again, in order to use student job search, you do have to be a student or a graduate student recently. There's basically a section under the students part where you can press who can use us, and it comes up with this little flow chart. So if you're not sure if you are eligible to use student job search or any of these apps, I recommend getting in contact with the website or going through one of these web flows if they do have one. That's basically all it is. A very short video today. Also, if you're not following me on WeMoney, please make sure you download the app and check it out. I basically post exclusive content on there where I share some extra hacks and tips in order to save money. But that's basically all for today. If this video did indeed help you, please like and subscribe. It means an absolute lot. Thank you so much, and I hope this helps. Have a good day. Cheers.